Gateway 2, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff at 26 left, Gateway 2. Hello, Tower 501, Papa Charlie, visual 26 left.
501 Papa Charlie, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 501 Papa Charlie.
One Papa Charlie, stay parking.
Go into Millionaire, sir.
1 Papa Charlie, Roger, you can taxi Millionaire via Alpha with me.
With you to Millionaire, 1 Papa Charlie, thanks.
Spirit Tower, Citation 563, Mike's on the visual 26 left.
Citation 563, Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 563, Mike.
Citation 63, Mike, stay parking.
Going to Aero Charter 63, Mike.
63, Mike, right turn at Alpha 8 if you can make it, and straight Aero Charter with me.
At Alpha 8, straight in with you, 63, Mike.
Down to 54 Sierra, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 54 Sierra, thanks, man.
Sierra, you can exit Alpha 5 and taxi T via Alpha with me.
Hey, 54 Sierra, off at Alpha 5 and over to the T's with you. Thanks, man. Appreciate the help. Spirit Tower, Commerce Bank 1, visual 26 left.
Commerce Bank 1, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
Commerce Bank 1, you can taxi straight in with me, Aero Charter, contact ground for outbound.
Thanks, Aero Charter, with you.
105 Uniform Charlie has traffic on final.
5 Uniform Charlie, follow that citation, maintain visual separation and caution wake turbulence from the traffic, runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2.
26 left, clear to land, number 2 for 105 Uniform Charlie. Uniform Charlie, we could get out here at Alpha 5.
Uniform Charlie, roger. And you can contact ground point 7, they'll get you over the west ramp.
Out of the runway at Alpha 5 and contact ground for 105 Uniform Charlie, thank you for your help.
Citation 563 Mike, Spirit Tower ready to go?
Ready to go, 63 Mike.
63 Mike, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, right runway heading, 563 Mike.
Spirit Tower, clear check 566 on the ILS 26 left.
Clear check 566, Spirit Tower, and how is approach terminate?
Full stop to the white ramp, clear check 566.
Clear check 566, roger, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, clear check 566.
Commerce Bank 1, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic 2 miles final.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, Commerce Bank 1.
Gateway 184, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Gateway 184.
And Gateway 184, going to Millionaire.
A-firm.
Gateway 4, roger, contact Millionaire, be out with me.
Alpha with you, Gateway 294, sorry about that.
Sorry.
Spirit Tower, clear track 503, we're established on the ILS at 26 left.
Clear check 503, Spirit Tower, house approach terminate.
Full stop, sir.
Check 503, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, clear track 503.
Spirit Tower, Gateway 180 is on the visual approach, 26 left.
Gateway 180 Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, Gateway 180.
Gateway 180 right, enable taxi, Millionaire, be out.
Right when able, Millionaire be out, it's going to be Alpha 7. Or Alpha 8.
599 Bravo Golf, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, take off.